Rob Lee, work for Walraven UK. This is one of our products. Customers traditionally using a 4141 channel system. This is a 15mm profile, very relevant today. Price of materials is going up, particularly steel. This offers a competitive solution, particularly to the plumbing industry where they may not need the extra strength that the 4141 channel system will need. It's a 15mm profile, galvanised system. It's available in lengths at 2 metres and 6 metres. It's lightweight, less of a carbon footprint with this product, easy to transport, easy to cut, and it comes with what we call RapidRail slide nuts. This combines all components, so it just fits into the rail system. Quarter turn lock will still move within the rail system until you lock it off. Threaded rod is supplied already with it. That will come in increments from 25 to 150mm, depending on what standoff you want. Using the insert of the threaded rod alone, that will reduce the need for a hot works permit on site. No cutting of threaded rod, no dressing of the rod to enable it to fit back into the nut, and a massive time-saving element to the product. Along the back has increments at 10mm, so you can measure it for cutting. Very, very easy to cut. Once you've cut the system, you don't have to re-galfroid it, self-anneals if you like, so you don't have to paint the system.
If you want the best deals on hand tools, power tools and accessories like what you see on this channel delivered to your inbox every single week at 6 PM on a Tuesday, hit the link in the description and join Tool Talk for free today.